We tell ourselves a story about the perfect moment, a time when the desk is clear, the inbox is empty, and the path ahead is perfectly illuminated. We wait for the ideal conditions, for a sign that says now. But that pristine, untouched workspace, it's not a sign of readiness, it's a monument to hesitation. There is no perfect moment, no perfect conditions. There is only now, with all its beautiful imperfections. This quest for perfection is a trap, a beautiful and paralyzing illusion. If you keep waiting for the stars to align, you'll be waiting forever. The universe doesn't pause for your plans. It continues its magnificent, indifferent dance, and you risk becoming a spectator in your own life, forever looking up at the sky instead of taking a step on the ground beneath you. The truth is, readiness is a myth. It's a feeling you earn through action, not a state you arrive at through waiting. Real progress begins the moment you start, not when you feel ready, but when you decide. That decision, that single conscious choice to begin, is the most powerful catalyst for change you possess. It's the spark that ignites the engine. Look at any master of their craft. Every expert once started with uncertainty. Every masterpiece began as a blank page. Every success story began with a heart full of fear and a mind full of doubt. They didn't have a secret map. They simply had the courage to take the first messy, imperfect step into the unknown. So forget the grand 5-year plan for a moment. What is the smallest possible action you can take right now? Not tomorrow, not next week. Today, can you write one sentence, sketch one line, send one email, make one call? That's it. That's your starting point. One small, manageable step. This is how momentum is built. Not with a giant leap, but with a single push that sets everything in motion. That one small action from today compounds tomorrow. The next day, it's a little easier. Soon, you have a force of habit and progress behind you, a chain reaction of your own making, carrying you forward with unstoppable energy. The right time isn't a date on the calendar you're waiting for. It's the decision you make. The right time isn't someday. It's today. It's this very second. So stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Take this moment and make it the right one. Your future self is waiting.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.